watch out, Krampus is coming to town. Tonight we are at the Culbertson Mansion here in New Albany, Indiana. And you guessed it, we are here for their Christmas event here in December. We like coming out here to Culbertson every year. Right here in New Albany, Indiana, just a stone's throw away from Louisville. Real easy to hit with any of the Louisville haunts as well. So yeah, we're super excited to get in here and get some scares for the Christmas season. I'm gonna bring you guys through inside the haunted house with us. Oh, I almost forgot. So the Culbertson Mansion is owned by the state of Indiana. It is a state historic site, and all the funds that they raise from the haunted house here, whether during the haunt season or Christmas, helps to restore this very historic house here in southern Indiana. They host tours during the rest of the year as well. So if you're down here during the daytime, make sure you stop by and come check out the place. It is absolutely immaculate. All right, without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares. Pull this out of my...
I'll talk to it. I know one thing. Tyler thought he could get away without me doing that. I should probably go this way, right? I was doing it.
The candles do not go into
I think something might be looking at us. There is totally something looking at us.
Oh, I see him peeking.
Do you see it? Hi. Are you mean?
I guarantee they're mean.
Oh, I see a little pink nose, though.
Sometimes during haunt season, they got a whole thing out here too. They
have a big
run you
cemetery.
through. Yeah. Get the short version since it's colder.
Oh no, Tyler, there's something bigger up there.
Oh man.
What the heck was that? Where'd it go?
Yeah. Disappeared.
Step.
Hi, friends.
Hi.
That other thing that came out didn't look as friendly as you.
That was my brother, Bungo.
Oh.
We're just sitting around telling Christmas stories.
Oh.
Okay. Are they good stories?
Oh, they're lovely stories.
Okay.
It wasn't you and you like changed form or something, did you?
No.
Oh, okay. All right.
Come on in.
Not
Okay.
quite
You're
as...
saved, my friends.
I think it was something that looked like
All
that.
right. Now, Bungo,
Oh,
what
it
did I
smells
say? That's right. I was just telling you a bedtime story. It's a
Oh.
little late for him. All right, Bungo. Now, the night before Christmas, all the boys and girls were sleeping in their beds, and they were dreaming of gumdrops and toys and giant gingerbread men, which that one's a little odd, but you know. But all the bad boys and girls that year were punished by Santa. He turned us all into toys. Isn't that mean?
I think so.
Right,
Yeah.
Bungo? Bungo says he agrees.
Okay.
Now, we were saved, Bungo. Did you know who saved us? Krampus, that's right!
What?
Krampus saved
Krampus
us.
saved him?
Do you guys want to be saved by Krampus too?
I'm not sure.
We'll try it.
Oh,
Whoa.
My favorite festive revelers.
Oh, but yeah.
But Christmas is going to be a little different this year.
Uh-oh.
For I am turning holiday cheer into holiday fear.
Oh, goodness.
Yes, I've unleashed my minions upon this house, and they will judge those who have been naughty and nice. If you've been truly good, perhaps you'll make it out with your limbs and fingers
I
intact.
hope so.
But those who are truly depraved
Not me.
may join my legion.
Oh, no.
That might
shoot.
be
I don't know,
a better
Krampus.
alternative. I'm not
Okay,
sure.
through the fireplace.
A gift.
A gift.
I don't know.
I want to be saved like her.
Have to get back with you on that one, Krampus.
Shit. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. This can't be good. Candy? Oh,
Candy?
shoot.
Candy?
I don't think I have any
Oh,
candy.
candy.
I don't have any chocolate. But I don't have any. A magic
trick?
trick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna pull something out of her hat.
It's not me. What the heck was that?
It's a stuffed animal
What was
head.
that?
That is wonderful.
She just slammed the door on me.
Well, that's not very nice.
Uh-oh. You gotta follow us to see if we can find Oh, bah humbug. Yeah, I agree with you.
Krampus can't wait to meet get you!
I see what you did there.
I was so good. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Somebody drew Krampus. Symptoms: trembling, hallucinations. Uh-oh. don't know if I'm hallucinating or not. Could be. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh, it's a little one.
Snuck up on somebody.
Oh, my goodness.
Whoa!
Hey, now you do not. What in the heck?
I might have to put this through your head.
My God. I think he's a bit maniacal.
Oh, God.
Oh, Santa, keep desk clean.
You can't wake him up before Christmas. No.
Oh, okay. Shh. Don't wake him up.
Oh, don't worry. He's just dreaming of sugar plums.
Okay.
That's what it is, yeah.
Look at these things' faces. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Fancy times.
I don't think I like the music.
I don't know. Clean. Yeah, clean. It's just a spiky wall. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. That one was moving and I thought it was, it's haunted, Tyler.
It is.
Watch out.
Or maybe I just brushed into it.
No, you didn't.
Hello, yes.
Hello.
Come in, please. I was just making some cookies.
Cookies?
Let's see if the cookies are done cooking.
Oh.
Uh-oh, that does not look like a cookie.
Oh, it's a
giant
gingerbread cookie.
Cookies
Oh my
No,
God.
it's not done yet.
It's not ready?
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, that's a giant. Oh God, now the cookie's running around.
Oh God.
Cookie has escaped.
Oh, cookie!
The cookie escaped.
Oh,
Where'd it go?
Cookie's not getting cooked anymore.
Ooh, where'd it go? Oh shoot, it's a raw cookie. Ooh, the meat flaps. Oh God, there it is.
Oh, there he is.
I
We
don't
saved
know if
him. He's getting cooked.
He burned him alive.
Cookie's getting cooked.
Oh, they're burning somebody in there.
Crematory. Oh, I see
Good
the
thing you're
fire.
not in there, gingerbread cookie.
Yeah.
Careful. Oh,
it's
it's a big, it's got a hat.
Evil Mises.
Oh my goodness. Ooh. I feel like we're gonna get stabbed with one of them icicles. Uh-oh, I saw a green furry hand.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure. See?
Krampus,
Why are you in there?
Oh, that's probably good.
This way? Oh! Whoa! Okay, thanks, Grinch.
Hello.
I see.
You know,
I do.
little mirror, that's all I needed.
Oh, okay. You just.
I'm not naughty.
I wasn't naughty either.
We have fresh ones.
Whoa! That one can come out. Oh crap! Oh, I didn't do it.
They know her name.
Oh, hello there.
I need your voice box, Nora.
Voice box. No, I gotta keep that. Okay. I think Tyler will probably go in the box. Oh my goodness. I think Tyler will go that way with the camera. Yeah, he will.
Oh,
You go.
upstairs. Oh God.
Oh, I get to go.
What are you doing, Nora?
I gotta go in this pit.
Oh God.
Go! You're
Oh my.
I'm gonna see both of us. Okay.
Oh, we're both going up.
Well, they wanted me to see.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
You are much luckier than
Okay.
Oh my.
a gift for the day.
I think the camera wants
I think
to go
I'm
in the
gonna
box.
be a gift.
Can we sacrifice
Oh
him?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
careful.
I gotta get in there.
Tyler, you're leaving me here with all of them.
I think you're gonna be
so much
in good hands.
Oh, good God.
All right. All right. See if we can lay down here. Oh God. Not sure if you can see me. Oh God. Ah! Woo. Woo. We went somewhere. Oh God. We went somewhere. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Oh, God.
Oh, what is that? Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Help! No, they're trying to kill us.
Oh no. No glitter.
You can. Oh, I will try, yeah. Holy cow. if they all work for Krampus. Step.
I think you're right.
Uh-oh. Oh, don't you chop my legs off.
Possums and chainsaws.
It's a possum with a chainsaw. Uh-oh.
He's still
You were
coming
the one
after us.
looking at us. It was you.
He's stalking us. He's waiting.
No. Merry Christmas. Don't kill us.
Merry Krampus.
Hang on. Let's get them coming out. Right here.
Oh yeah, we got some more coming.
We'll film them from over here.
Oh, they came out
Oh,
after
crap.
us. Oh God.
Bye, Nora. Bye. She's trying to take my voice box.
Bye-bye. That's fun.
That was a lot of fun. Yeah. How was the box?
It's smoother than normal. They tuned that thing up.
Oh, but my box was very dizzy. And there
Oh,
was
yeah,
like 20 elves in there.
So if you don't get in the coffin box like I did, there's another box that Nora did, and you hang onto a pole and they spin you around real fast, and that's how you get where we both got.
Oh, I think they're coming. Maybe, nope, that's a different group. Isn't it? Maybe?
Still.
I don't trust that one.
Nope.
They're getting chainsawed down there. Uh-oh, he's coming up the stairs. Lindsay, look out!
Nora misses you.
Nuh-uh!
You're in the coffin.
Oh, did you? What'd you think?
That's fun. I want to do it again.
We usually fight over the coffin.
Well, that about wraps it up here for the Krampus event here at Culbertson Mansion. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. Once again, we absolutely love coming up here to Culbertson. As a matter of fact, it is the very first haunt that Nora and I got to review as haunt reviewers. So if you want to see the full review with ratings from haunt season, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. If you come up here and see Culbertson for yourself, make sure you tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. We're going to head on off to the next one. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.